Hello guys again, today we have a new unboxing. This is the Silvercrest kitchen tool professional standard mix for knighting, mixing and blending. Powerful 13,000 watt motor, also ideal for heavy duty. Splitter guard with opening to add ingredients. Yep. This is from Silvercrest, 3 years warranty, 6.3 liters approximately is a cup, 1.5 liters is the blender, 3 accessories inside. With a blender, another one, cost only 88 euros, 10 speed setting and pulse function. And let's see what we have inside, because this is an unboxing. Inside we have, look at the protection cap, lovely. This is the blender. Is the top outside, of course. Blender, mixer, everything. In the corner of the video you can see the older version of this Silvercrest kitchen tool and you can compare. I think this is a better, more easy to close and open. Holds the tone. This is for your blender. And that was all. Thank you again for watching, guys. This unboxing of Silvercrest kitchen tool professional standard mixer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video. It's your choice. But definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. This is from glass, very durable, very nice. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.